calamity would look like some kind of a disorganized default in the U.S. Treasury market. A calamity would look like a majority of the world's central banks shifting significantly away from the dollar as their reserve asset. Doesn't mean they wouldn't hold any dollars, but they would move away from it dramatically. It would lead to the creation of some other multi-state, multi-asset-backed global exchange system. The new system could involve Bitcoin, could involve gold, could involve the euro, could involve a new currency block from China. Basically, so that we wake up in 5 years and people can't believe there was ever a time we were able to print enough dollars to pay for anything we wanted, because now it doesn't work that way. That's a calamity. That's the end of America scenario. That's what I've been predicting since 2010. What are the chances that we're at the start of that water slide, that flume ride down in terms of loss of purchasing power of the U.S. dollar? Now we're $35 trillion in debt, and what most Americans simply don't understand is how much of our standard of living is riding on that debt bubble. And what happens when you take that debt bubble away, I don't think people are prepared for. And I see a lot of people who are, let's call them the blue-collar Trump fans, who are like, oh, this is great, screw the stock market. Well, yeah, screw the stock market. But if the stock market falls in half, which I believe it will, you're also going to see unemployment go 25%. And so the idea that we have a U.S. president who is actively campaigning to end the greatest economic advantage our country has ever had is really unprecedented.
There's a reason why the world's best informed investors read my daily journal. Subscribe for free at portersjournal.com.